So hello everyone after a long time. So today we'll see what is lambda function and what is lambda. So in other programming languages such as C, C++, and also Java. So Java and C++ have lambda function. But so so today we'll see lambda function in Python, right? So what is lambda function and how it helps to lambda function to reduce the code length and reduce the it means complexity of code, and we can write code in only single line, and also lambda function takes less memory as compared to normal function, right? So today we'll see what is lambda function, right? So lambda is a keyword, right? So for defining a lambda function, we need to use lambda keyword. So lambda is a keyword which is reserved uh, provided by Python, right? So what is lambda function? What is definition of lambda function, right? So lambda function is anonymous function, which means nameless function, right, guys? So lambda function means which is a nameless function, which function has no name, right? Which function has no name is called as lambda function. Lambda function also we can say lambda function as uh, anonymous function, right? Anonymous function means nameless function. Also we can say lambda function means one line function, right? One line function. So in Python, how to define a lambda function and how to execute it in Python. And so right, so we'll execute. First of all, we'll see one normal function, and we'll see one lambda function. What is difference between lambda function and normal function, and how to reduce length of code by using lambda function? So first of all, we'll see one normal function which return the square of particular number, right? So first of all, I will create one normal function by using def keyword. Def, square, square, which is a function name, and I will pass one parameter, right? X as a parameter in square function, right? So and then return x into x, right, guys? So we'll return square of particular number, which is a x number, which is parameter of our function, right? So then I will simply print square of. So here we are going to provide and pass the argument for our parameter vx, right? So I will pass 10, and you can see, guys, when I print this function, which is square function, it return 100, right, guys? So 100 is the square of 10, right? So now how many lines are there? So it takes normal function takes minimum 3 lines, right? So now we'll see lambda function, right? So I will write these three lines only in single line, right? I will execute this particular function, and this all functionality of this function only in single line, right? So how to execute the particular lambda function, right? So now we'll see what is lambda function and how to write and what is the syntax of lambda function, right? So first of all, uh, I will create one variable, right? So I will create one square variable, square, square equals to, right? Then I will create lambda function for as I told you how to create lambda function. We can create a lambda function by using a lambda keyword, right? So let's start with lambda keyword, and then space. Then what is the syntax? Then after the lambda after the lambda keyword, what we'll write? So after lambda function, we'll write the parameter of our function, right? So we'll pass the parameter of our function, which is x, right? So then colon, right, which is our indentation part, right? As you can see here, we have provided the colon for the normal function, and then after that, when you enter, then there will be the indentation space, right? So like that there is a parameter, and then after that we have written here the colon, and after colon we need to pass the statement and pass the expression, right? So we have to remember one thing, guys. So in lambda function we can pass multiple parameter, right? We can pass here multiple parameter. So suppose I will pass x comma y comma z number of parameters, but we cannot pass multiple statements in return statement, right? So we need to write only one x into x after x into x. So lambda function accept only one expression, right? Only one statement and only one expression. We can pass multiple parameter, but we cannot pass multiple statement, right, guys? So and one more thing, the statement of lambda function is always return, right, guys? Is always return. So we no need to just print and return, write to return and print, right? So it always return. So then this is a simple syntax of lambda function, right? So then now I will put these all lambda function in parentheses. You can also in simple language and in your syntax, right? No need to pass in parentheses. So now simply I will print this square function, square, and pass, and then pass 9. So we need to get the square of 9 number, right? So you can see here, yeah, right, you can see here it returned the 81. 81 is a square of 9. So we have completed, we have seen what is a lambda function and how to execute lambda function, what is syntax of lambda function, how to pass argument, how to return statement, then how to use the keyword of lambda, and then how to pass parameter for our argument of lambda function, right? So it's clear, guys. Also we can we will see one more example. So now what we have to do, we have to uh, we have to execute one function with the um, also cube, right? We'll see cube, otherwise we'll see the number which are divided by 2, which means even numbers. We will return the all even number from a particular list, right? So I will create one list, L1 equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 8, right? And we need to get the all even number from this list. So how to get all even number from list? So in normal function we'll create one normal def function def, then we'll create one function name and pass the all return statement, all things are written, right, guys? So I will put one condition, I divided by 2 and equals to 0, then return this all things, right? So now we have what we have to do, we have to return, we have to get the all number from this list which are divided by 2, which means these all number can be the even number, right? So I will create one variable, I will create one var1, right? var1 equals to, so there is a one function which is a filter function, right? So we'll use filter function, and we have to write this filter function in list, right? So simply we'll write in list and then filter function and then close up list, right? And so what is use of filter function? Filter function takes function as argument, right? Function as argument. So we need to write lambda function here, right? So I will write lambda space, then we need to write here parameter of our function, right? So what is the parameter of our function? It will be the list one other so I will write just x, and then I will pass if x is divided by, no need to write the if, I will simply write x divided by 2 equals to 0, right? So x is a x, small x, right, divided by 2 equals to 0, comma, I will pass list 1, right? So now you can see when I print this variable, so it return the all even number, right? So you can see here it return the all list of all even number 2 4 6 6, right? So like that we can create single line function, we can create lambda function, and also we can say as a nameless function. So nameless function cannot use again and again, we cannot call again and again when we need to execute this particular lambda function in anywhere. In other programs, in other modules, we cannot import lambda function, but we can import, we can reuse, we can use again and again, and you can reuse the normal function, right guys? This is a big difference between lambda function and normal function, right? So it's clear guys what is lambda function and what is use of lambda function, right? So we'll see next video. We'll see next video about what are the different functions: filter function, the map function, and one more function is there, it's a reduce function. So we'll see in next video. So I hope you have clear doubt about what is the lambda function and what is use of lambda function, right? So if you subscribe my channel and like this video, so we'll get all the video from my channel, right guys? Thank you, bye bye.